Hey guys, today I'm gonna make some bruschetta with some balsamic, and I got some fresh basil, and then some mozzarella cheese, which I already have sliced up in here, but this is what I used. And then I've got some tomatoes, which I just sliced up as well. These ones are just little cherry tomatoes, but you can use these, which I like to do, or you can use sliced tomatoes. So first thing I'll do is just cut myself some baguette here. There we go. Take a piece of this. You can toast it as well. I don't like mine toasted. I like it soft, but if you want a crunch, then just give it a toast. Okay, there's some mozzarella. Just put a little slice of that on there. Grab some basil. That basil smells so good. Just put it on there like that. And then I grab a couple tomatoes. Let's just do, we can just do one for now. That, and we take this here. This stuff is where it's at. It's so good. Just kind of drizzle that on there. And you can make it look as pretty as you want. You can do drops. Do something like this. Ooh, look at that. And then there you have it. Just pop that sucker right in your mouth. This tastes amazing. The flavors with the mozzarella and the tomato and the basil, you can't beat it. All right, here we go. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Try it. So fresh, so amazing, delicious. Give it a shot. Quick and easy to make too. The problem with these is they're so good, it's hard to stop. Mm-hmm.